Next is question number 6. f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, g of x is equal to x square plus 1, h of x is equal to 4 raised to power x. Part A, find h of 4. h of 4 is equal to 4 raised to power 4, and 4 raised to power 4 is 256. Part B, find f of g of 1. g of 1 is 1 square plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now f of g of 1 equals f of 2, that is 3 into 2 plus 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Part C, find g of f of x in the form ax square plus bx plus c. f of x is 3x plus 2, and g of f of x equals g of 3x plus 2, and g of x is x square plus 1. So 3x plus 2 square plus 1. Now opening the square, this will be 9x square plus 4 plus 12x plus 1 equals 9x square plus 12x plus 5. Part D, find x when f of x is equal to g of 7. f of x is 3x plus 2 equals g of 7. g of x is x square plus 1, so g of 7 will be 7 square plus 1. Now 3x is equal to 7 square is 49 plus 1 minus 2, which is 48, and 3x, and from this x is equal to 48 over 3. 48 over 3 is 16. The value of x is 16. Part E, find f inverse of x. f of x is 3x plus 2. Put y equals f of x. Then y is equal to 3x plus 2. From this, y minus 2 over 3 is equal to x. From this equation, x is equal to f inverse of y. Now replacing x with f inverse of y, this will be y minus 2 over 3. Now replacing y with x, f inverse of x is equal to x minus 2 over 3. Part F, find g of x over f of x plus x, and give your answer as a single fraction in terms of x in its simplest form. g of x is x square plus 1, f of x is 3x plus 2 plus x. Taking its LCM, that will be 3x plus 2 x square plus 1 plus x into 3x plus 2 equals x square plus 1 plus 3x square plus 2x over 3x plus 2 equals 4x square plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. Four x square plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. Part G. Find x when h inverse of x is equal to 2. When h inverse of x is equal to 2, then x is equal to h of 2. Now h of x is 4 raised to power x. So h of 2 will be 4 raised to power 2, that will be 16. Value of x is 16.